Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use a paintbrush on Snapchat. Snapchat allows its users not only to add text or stickers, apply filters, but it also provides them with an opportunity to draw something on their snaps. Follow these steps and you will learn how you can use it. Go to the camera screen and click on the button in order to take a snap or upload a visual from your camera roll. On the right, find the pencil icon and press on it. Now you can draw whatever you want. However, as you see, you have an opportunity to change the color spectrum. Use different colors of your brush. What is more, you can draw with a string of emojis. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use a paintbrush function on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.